Today's phonics video is going to be on digraphs, trigraphs, and consonant blends. This is a painting by the artist Henri Matisse. It's called Portrait of Madame Matisse. Digraph is a phonics term for two letters that make one sound. The important part is two letters, but only one sound. We will talk only about consonant digraphs. There are 7 consonant digraphs: CH, CK, PH, TH, SH, and WH. CH is in words such as church, chew, cheap, chirp, chin. CK is in words like cluck, click, duck, block, brick. And notice CK will never start a word. It's either going to be at the end or sometimes in the middle. PH is words like phone, phoenix, nephew, and the word digraph. SH, shush, ship, shape, wish, smash. Now, TH actually has 2 sounds. The voiced sound, in some words, TH is voiced. When you say it, your vocal cords, that thing in your throat, vibrate, and you should feel a humming sound. Let's practice with these words. This, that, other, the, soothe. And when I pronounce these words, I exaggerated the TH. Go ahead and take a second to try it yourself. You should feel your tongue vibrate a little bit and you hear a hum. Here are the words one more time. This, that, other, the, soothe. In the unvoiced TH, your vocal cords don't vibrate, and you should feel air being pushed out between your teeth. Think, third, bath, with, teeth. And again, I exaggerated the sound. I'm going to give you some time to say all these words for yourself. And here they are again. Think, third, bath, with, teeth. WH is found in words like where, when, who, why, and what. A trigraph is a phonics term for 3 letters that make one sound. Again, what's important is while we have 3 letters, we only hear one sound. We will talk about consonant and consonant vowel trigraphs. Now, there are many of these. We're only going to focus on 3 of them. We will focus on DGE, IGH, and TCH. Let's look at some examples. DGE is in words like edge, ridge, fudge, sludge, and lodge. IGH has the single sound of I, sigh, light, fight, right, slight. TCH is in words like itch, match, pitch, stretch, and botch. When we mark and label our syllables, we use one line underneath the 2 letters of a digraph or one line underneath the 3 letters of the trigraph. Again, the emphasis is on one line underneath the 2 letters when we have a digraph, or again, one line underneath the 3 letters of a trigraph. For example, chirp, we underline the CH because it makes one sound. Catch, we underline the letters TCH because they make one sound. Ledge, we underline DGE because they make one sound. Sash, we underline SH because it makes one sound. And notice these were all closed syllables where the vowel sound is short. And ledge is a little strange to look at because it has DGE, but remember, since it's a trigraph, it basically is a closed syllable. Consonant blends are different. A consonant blend is 2 or more consonants that are next to, or we could say beside, each other and are pronounced close together, but we hear each sound. Again, 2 or 3 consonants that are next to each other, but we hear each individual sound. When we mark and label syllables, we use one line underneath each consonant in the blend. This is because we hear each consonant sound. Again, one line underneath each consonant. This is because we hear each consonant sound. For example, clasp, list, frank, slope. I underline the CL and the SP in clasp because I hear k. I hear the 2 sounds even though they're close together. Sp. SP, I hear 2 sounds even though they're close together. List, I underline ST because I hear st. Frank, I underline FR, NK because I hear fr and nk. Slope, I underline SL because I hear sl. And the first 3 are closed syllables with short vowels. Slope is a VCE syllable with a long vowel sound. So what's the difference? Ask yourself these questions. Are there 2 or more consonants next to each other? That's the first question you ask. How many sounds do I hear? Do I hear 1 or more than 1? If I hear 1 sound, then it's a digraph if I'm looking at 2 consonants, or a trigraph if I'm looking at 3 consonants or 3 letters together. And 4, if I hear more than 1 sound, then it is a consonant blend. For example, crash, tribe, split, and catch. With crash, I underline separately C and R because I hear k, but one line under the SH because I only hear 1 sound, sh, crash. Tribe, I only underline the T and the R, and they make 2 separate sounds, so each letter is underlined. Tr. In split, I underline 3 consonants, S, P, and L, because I do hear each sound, spl. Catch, This is different. I have one line underneath the three letters TCH because they only make one sound, ch. And notice the first word crash is a closed syllable with a short vowel. Tribe is VCE with a long vowel. Split and catch are both closed, again with short syllables. I hope this brief video has been helpful. Take care.